when you finally realize that nature holds all the answers. I trust and believe that and know that it's for sure. Nature holds all the answers. Hi, I am Tommy Acree, your neighborhood fruit plug. Why I get into this lifestyle? Like, comment, subscribe, and let the algorithm work. And don't forget to grow. Like grass in the spring.
The fruit plug is the name. Slice through the doubts, fruit slice blade. Weight on my shoulders, but I'm light as thick rain. Fruit in my veins, watch my energy cascade. Natural weight, I'm not lost in the noise. And all fruits making big noise.
And I understand that, people have their own preference. But my preference, nature. Nature. It changed my life dramatically. To look out into nature and just allow nature to feed you. Everything. What's crazy is everything that's around us that we use and utilize has some type of nature involved into it. Every drink that you desire promotes fruit. Strawberries. You got strawberry daiquiris. You got strawberry soda. You got strawberry candy. Pineapple. You got pineapple soda. Pineapple candy. Should I go on? Everything promotes fruit. So why not eat fruit? It makes logical sense. Look out on, just go in the store, you will see that most of your beverages, most of your snacks promote fruit, not the snack. You will buy the snack because it's the fruit. It says strawberry filling. Ooh, I want that. It sounds good, healthy. But now I realize that so much artificial, natural flavors that don't make sense. Nature holds all the answers. I trust and believe that and know that it's for sure. Nature holds all the answers. Thank you for watching this video. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe. Let the algorithm work. And don't forget to grow like grass in the spring. Thank you.